everybody? Good morning. Today we got an install on the E36. We are doing a $25 HID kit that I got on Amazon. This HID kit had hella good reviews. It's supposed to be plug and play, so let's see if it works. So you guys can see, this is gonna be the one you're changing out. You're just gonna unplug it, spin this, pull it out, put the new one in, and then plug it back in. So let me get that process started. Okay, let's see what comes in this kit. Okay, so we got, looks like 2 double-sided tape to hold the little ballast. We got both of the replacement lights. It looks like it's LED. What else we got? Let's see, pull this out. Oh, there's the ballasts. Plug and play, obviously. And what else we got? I guess we got 2 gloves. They don't suggest that you touch the LEDs with your hands, so that's probably what these gloves are for. Probably not gonna need them because I don't need to touch the LED with my hands. But let's put this shit on. Actually, let's see what the factory lights look like, so you guys can kind of see what the difference was. Ah, what did that happen? So weak. This is what they look like. Trash. They're not even bright at all. I tried to drive this car at night and it just wasn't happening. So let's change them out. Okay, so we got the first one out. Now let's do a comparison of what they look like. So this is this factory one. Put a little light on it. This is the factory one. Let's grab one of these bad boys. And this is the aftermarket one. So I don't know if it's a little too bright or not, but this is gonna be the replacement. This is the old one. So let's get rid of that and see what kind of light this one puts out. Okay, so as you can see, we got the plug plugged in, plug and play, super simple. The ballast down there, we gotta stick to something, but now that it's in, we're gonna see what it looks like from the factory one to the aftermarket one. Damn, so that's a fat difference. So this is gonna be the HID. Dang, that's so bright. Compared to this one, this is gonna be the factory one. So like, oh my god, dude, this one is way brighter. I can only imagine if the lens was like clear, how much brighter this one would be. But this is so much brighter than that. Like, this is for sure worth the $25 I paid for this. This is like the best mod that you can get, I swear. And look how much better it looks. That looks way better than that. Okay guys, so they're both in. Just put both of them in. Literally, I woke up at 7, I have work at 8, and this install took me less than 15 minutes. Like, with unboxing, taking everything out, and plugging it back in, 15 minutes. Let's see. Woo! That looks so much better. Like, dude, this looks 10 times better. Because when it's orange, it looks like old school, old car. Like, this looks so good. And then on top of it, like the wires, the harness is new. It looks freaking badass when it's down there. So I honestly think this was a win. This was a freaking win. So I'll go ahead and below I will put the link to these that I bought. It's for a 95. I'm pretty sure it works for all E36s, but this one was for a 95 325. I think that this is probably one of the better mods you could do for like the low key, if you don't have too much money to spend on mods on a car and you want to do something like pretty cheap and something that'll make the car look better. This is what you got to do, because this looks 10 times better than it did before. So give a thumbs up to the video, throw a like on the video, comment on it. If you guys like this build, don't forget I am giving this build away. You do have to subscribe to win this. So check it out, guys. Just a quick mod done. I figured why not. It was 25 bucks, so I'll just do it and then go from there. But thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to throw this in there. Also, you know what's crazy about this kit? I did not use one tool. The only tools I used is my hands. So that's also crazy. Like if you don't have a lot of tools, you don't have a lot of time, and you want to do something fast, quick, and efficient, this is the freaking way to go. No tools, no time, looks 10 times better. But just want to throw that in there also. Thank you guys.